What does it take to become a millionaire? While there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, there are certain habits that successful millionaires share. In this video, we'll be discussing the 10 money habits of successful millionaires that you can adopt in your own life to achieve financial success. First on the list is goal setting. Successful millionaires set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, goals for their finances. They know exactly what they want to achieve and have a clear plan to get there. The second habit is saving and investing. Successful millionaires understand the importance of saving money and investing it wisely. They know that small savings today can lead to big returns tomorrow. Next up is living below your means. Successful millionaires live frugally and avoid overspending. They understand that every dollar saved is a dollar earned, and they use this mindset to build wealth. The fourth habit is financial education. Successful millionaires never stop learning about money. They read books, attend seminars, and seek out the advice of financial experts to help them make informed decisions. The fifth habit is taking calculated risks. Successful millionaires know that without taking risks, there can be no reward. They take calculated risks that have the potential to yield high returns. Next on the list is being proactive. Successful millionaires don't wait for opportunities to come to them, they create them. They take charge of their finances and actively seek out ways to improve their financial situation. The seventh habit is having a positive mindset. Successful millionaires believe in their ability to achieve their financial goals. They maintain a positive attitude and don't let setbacks discourage them from pursuing their dreams. The eighth habit is staying focused. Successful millionaires stay focused on their financial goals and don't let distractions or temptations derail them. They maintain their discipline and commitment to achieving their financial objectives. The ninth habit is networking. Successful millionaires understand the importance of building relationships with like-minded people. They seek out mentors, advisors, and peers who can offer them guidance and support along the way. The final habit is giving back. Successful millionaires understand that wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's also about making a positive impact on the world. They give back to their communities and support causes they care about. And that's it, the 10 money habits of successful millionaires. Adopting these habits can help you achieve financial success and build wealth over time. Which of these habits do you already practice? Let us know in the comments below.